In today's digital age, cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace, posing significant risks to organizations worldwide. Many struggle to keep up with the latest security standards, leaving them vulnerable to attacks. Enter NIST 800.53, a comprehensive framework designed to address these challenges. It offers a structured approach to bolster your organization's cybersecurity defenses effectively. NIST 800.53 is a set of guidelines specifically for federal information systems. It provides a detailed catalog of security and privacy controls, essential for safeguarding sensitive data. Understanding its structure is crucial for effective implementation. By grasping the framework's intricacies, you can tailor it to meet your organization's unique security needs. Explore the various control families, ranging from access control to system and communications protection. Each family addresses specific security needs, ensuring comprehensive coverage. These controls can be customized to fit your organization's requirements, providing flexibility and adaptability in your cybersecurity strategy. Start with a thorough risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities. This will always be the first step, as understanding risk is key. This foundational step is crucial for prioritizing controls based on your organization's unique risk profile. Integrate NIST 800.53 controls into your existing security framework. This seamless integration enhances your defenses, making your organization more resilient against cyber threats. Resource constraints and budget limitations are common hurdles. However, a lack of budgetary planning is not an excuse to avoid cybersecurity requirements. In fact, lack of budgetary planning is a serious liability. Address these by prioritizing critical controls and leveraging technology to automate and streamline implementation. Ensure your staff is trained and certified, as well as aware of their roles in cybersecurity. A well-informed team is your first line of defense against potential threats. Arrakis has said repeatedly that the human being is the strongest and weakest link in the cybersecurity chain, and sometimes at the same time. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, not a one-time project. It's a race with no finish line. Instead, it is a culture change and a way of life. Regularly review and update your controls to adapt to new threats, ensuring your defenses remain robust. By embracing NIST 800.53, you'll build a resilient and secure organization. Take action today to fortify your defenses and safeguard your future. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit our website at www.arrakisconsulting.com. Let's see how we can work together to help you succeed.